Skill Development Center for Healthcare hosted the third edition of the TN Health Skills Summit 2025. And this year's theme was Innovate, Train, Transform, Shaping the Future of Healthcare. That underscores the importance of skill development and innovation in revolutionizing the healthcare in Tamil Nadu. With the focus on empowering healthcare professionals with the latest skills and technologies, the summit saw panel discussions on new age technologies in healthcare, skill development, climate change, and disaster management with inputs from stakeholders and public health experts. So stay tuned in with the Federal as we bring you the key insights and developments from the event. Experts from the local, national, and global level discuss the future of healthcare, introduction of new age technologies, upskilling of the workforce, challenges such as climate change, and skill development. They emphasized on how bridging the gap between competency, knowledge, and skill levels in the healthcare sector is important to enable digital literacy. The Federal was the official digital media partner of the event.
Here, the whole idea was to address the challenges today of bridging the skill and innovation gap. At the ground level, when we have a lot of talk about digital transformation, but then are we really geared up for skilling and upskilling and reskilling the frontline healthcare workers and the healthcare professionals, right? So we brought in experts at various levels, from the global to national to the state level. The project director of Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation were all with us here today to discuss and deliberate this key challenges that we are facing today with digital health, right? So one of the key things that everyone talked about was the huge gap in terms of the frontline healthcare worker skilling, right? So at the end of the day, the data has to come from the ground level, right? And today, the biggest problem is obtaining robust data from the field, right? So for that, even if you use a mobile app, it can still create more and more problems, right? So how do you make it simple? How do you make it user-centric? For the eventual outcome, what are you looking for? You're looking for a good quality care delivery.
With the summit bringing together stakeholders from public and private sector, experts highlighted how it serves as an opportunity to initiate conversations on public-private partnerships to help integrate technology and digital applications more effectively in the health sector.
Hearty congratulations to the Tamil Nadu Skill Development Corporation for the wonderful job of conducting this summit. This is the third year, and it's a very important activity because unless the private hospitals and the public hospitals start partnering, we really cannot have good skill development in the state. Tamil Nadu has been a pioneer in developing skill in the state, and therefore we have very good skilled workforce in this part of the country. And the initiatives taken like this, the summit, where we collaborate in a big way. We talk about how we can do things better, how we can adopt technology, listen to all the stakeholders on the ground and develop programs according to the need of the state is pioneering work. And it's really wonderful being part of this event and to be brainstorming and meeting up with people, understanding their needs, developing technology based on the needs. I think it's been a wonderful experience. And we develop programs in partnership with the stakeholders, collaborate with them and identify the problem areas, and based on the problem areas we launch the programs.
Overall, the summit explored actionable strategies to strengthen India's healthcare ecosystem and how equipping the health infrastructure with new age technologies and training the workforce to adapt to the same would reform the healthcare sector in India.